This is the APEXEL Universal Phone Cage Kit. This is everything that comes in the two boxes. It's a model number VG05. That's what the box looks like. And underneath, put that one back over there. And this is the smaller one. This is a VG05-C. And that's what the boxes look like. But we're not really worried about the boxes. What we are interested in are the pieces that come inside them. You have a VideoRig 2-grip single handle, and it's a user manual. This particular thing here is very, very impressive. You can pull the top off, it's magnetic. There's an internal battery in this piece, and there's also a battery in this, so you can actually power up your mobile phone, or if you're running short of power on the little button here, they supply a cable. You can connect the two together and Bob's your uncle, as they say, the top is charged. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. I'll read out the exact specs on it for you because I can't remember them offhand. I'm just opening everything up a few seconds ago. The handle itself takes roughly 100 minutes to charge. Battery life is 70 minutes in it. The little Bluetooth USB interface on the top here takes 60 minutes to charge and has a life of 4,800 minutes. So that's pretty impressive. And you also get the user manual for the cage itself. And the cage has got so many adjustments on it. It's quite impressive. You can turn, lock or unlock on that. You can slide the bits and pieces sideways, a little stiff at the moment. Very, very tight tolerances on it. This one here, you can actually rotate the whole centerpiece. This center bit here also unscrews. That's a 67mm filter. The smaller one here, I just happen to have an APEXEL close-up lens here, so it just sits on top, and you just simply, where are we? Just screws into place. So that's rather handy. So any small filters that you've got, yep, just simply screw them in. And as you can see, it moves around. So you lock that. You can unlock the other dooberwacky here and you realign it on your phone. I'll show you how to do that later. We'll keep looking at this. You have a locking mechanism on the side here. So if you unlock, it adjusts to the length of your phone. Lock it up again. You'll notice you've got here lock and unlock, and that also closes or opens the actual jaws on the actual phone cage itself, so your phone will slide in it. There's a rubberized backing piece here. You're also supplied with extra little pads, and you've got another little thumb screw here, so that if you lose one of these ones on top here, you've got a replacement. This is the Allen key, and this is the side piece that fits in the grip. You've got these little buttons, as you can see, on either side of this adapter. You just rotate it, locks it in place, and the screw pops through the other side. So what we're going to do is mount it. I think I'll mount it obviously onto that spot there. Now I've mounted the handle, as you can see. Fits perfect. Very, very solid, not going to move. So I've got the APEXEL remote here. You hold it on for a few seconds. Now we're in pairing mode. I'll do a scan. And hopefully we can find it fairly quickly. There it is, APEXEL. So tap it on, it's pairing. Oops. Paired, done. So ultra fast. One thing I really like about this little camera remote, the magnet is so strong you are not going to lose it, which is fantastic. Now I've got the APEXEL close-up lens on the APEXEL cage, so to give you an idea of what it's like. As you can see, pretty impressive. Now I'm going to unscrew the center one here, which is a 67mm. Before I unscrew it, we'll just take it out of the cage here, just undo that little bit there, and it just slides out. That's so easy. And with this plate you get a 17mm and a 37mm lens adapter and 67 over here, so you just simply unscrew it and you've got access to larger lenses. This is so well thought out. It's a brilliant design. I've put on quite a large lens. This is a Nissi lens, and let's do a video, and we'll start the video and we'll go to 20 times zoom. So this cage is working absolutely brilliantly. Phenomenal. So it means you can put on any type of lens you want and use it. So fantastic. And on top of that, the little button here works, so you can actually stop your recording or start your recording. So everything is working on this thing. It is a game changer for those interested in doing videography or photography. Absolutely mind-blowing. You can put any lens you want on now, so that is amazing. Now I've got a K&F Concept Nano X CPL filter, and that works perfectly on all the lenses because everything is free, as they say. Nothing blocking the view. This is really a game changer. It is amazing. I think you'll be very happy with it. I know I am. Another thing that I really like about this setup, the actual cage itself, is the grip. Because this is a battery and you're supplied with this little cable, you just simply plug into the side of your phone. Come to the other side here, plug in. You can see the lights pop on and it's charging. We are charging my mobile phone, so I can actually be out on a shoot, doing videos, photography, whatever I like, and I know I'm not going to run out of battery power because the phone is drained. So this is brilliant, and this is a really well thought out piece of equipment. So many things you can do with it, fit basically any phone that's on the market, and the fact that you can charge while you're on the go, as they say, you're never going to worry about your phone running out of power. And of course, with the little removable button on the top here, you can take your photos and videos and whatever you like, and because it's so strong, the magnet, you're never going to lose the device itself. Very, very well thought out, extremely well made, solid. If we tighten that up there, no movement in it, absolutely perfect. Love this thing.